Do you have any work-related expenses such as doing your laundry, buying socks and ties that you use daily for work? Add to that your nice comfortable shoes and also your payments for your RCN and Unison registration. And of course, the big one, NM's registration, which is about £120 a year. I know and I bet that you are doing all those and paying for all those. But what I'm quite unsure of is if you have claimed tax relief. If you haven't, stay with me and I'll guide you how to claim your tax relief step by step. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am Joyce. I'm a nurse here in the UK, here to share with you my life story and my journey. And if you are a returnee, thank you for being with me again today. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like. A disclaimer, I am not an expert on taxes or neither am I a financial advisor. This is just me sharing with you how I managed to get the tax relief. There are a few ways on how you can claim tax relief. First is by phone. However, this route is only for those who has claimed tax relief previously, so that won't be discussed here today. Second will be by post. There are also two ways by post. First one is through RCN. RCN has their own form which you can use to claim tax relief, and then on the same form, the address where you will be sending it is also included. I will put the link below for the PDF of that form. Second one is through HMRC. HMRC has their own form for tax relief which you can fill up online and then print and send to them. And lastly, the one that I will be discussing further with you is doing it online, which is to me easier and much more accessible for everyone. So if you are interested, stay tuned and let's start. First thing, I will go to my web browser, which is Google, and then I will type in claim tax for nurses in the UK, and then I will normally find this one in my screen, and then I will go to gov.uk as it is the official website of the government here in the UK, and you can just really search anything from there. If you're in doubt, just go to gov.uk and search it. So once I click that, I will go to this screen and it will give me an overview of what I can claim tax relief on and what to expect. So if you're a basic taxpayer, meaning if you're paying 20% tax on all your income, then you are expecting 20% tax relief on whatever expense you are trying to claim. So once you see the screen, click the green check if you can claim button, and then once clicking, it will show you some questions where it will assess you if you're eligible. So who are you claiming expenses for? Myself. And then are you claiming expenses after April 5, 2017? Because as I know, you can only claim taxes for the past 5 years. So yes. And then did you pay tax in each of the years you're claiming for? Yes. Do you complete self-assessment? Self-assessment returns are for sole traders, meaning self-employed who are earning more than 1K. If you are already a permanent resident here in the UK or a citizen, you can be a sole trader apart from your normal working job if you're an employee. But if you're earning more than £1,000 from that business, you have to do the self-assessment. And also if you're earning money from renting out a property, if you have tips and commission, incomes from savings, investments, and dividends, especially if you're doing some trading outside of ISA, and then foreign income. Next, are you claiming expenses of more than 2,500 in a single tax year? My answer is no, because as far as I know, claiming tax has a cap to 2,500. And then, has your employer paid back all of your work-related expenses? If they have, then you cannot claim anything. But if they're not, then select no, continue. And for us nurses or anyone in the healthcare sector who are working bedside, normally what we would claim for is one for uniform, work clothing, and tool. That includes your laundrying and socks, tights, and whatever you use for work. And then professional fees and subscription. That includes NMC and Unison or RCN if you are registered. Other expenses, sometimes if you go for trainings that your company doesn't pay, it can go on that as well. Are you claiming tax relief for more than 5 different jobs? No. And then it will say at the end that you are eligible to claim for this job expenses online. And once you click that, it will ask you to go to your HMRC. So you will log in, put your HMRC login, and then if you have logged in, your details will automatically be there, including your name, date of birth, and then you will just really complete your address and then telephone number where they can call you. And then at the bottom of this page, they will ask you what time they can best call you. It's either just morning or in the afternoon, or you can choose both if you will be available. Next one is the tax year you want to claim on. So, for example, I've been here since 2017, so I can claim from April 6, 2017 up to present if I haven't yet. But if you are new here in the UK, you can just click on whatever year you want to claim on. And then you will have to put your employer's details and then payee reference. If you don't know your payee reference, you can ask your HR or you can find it in your P60. You will find your payee reference at the bottom right, which is, as you can see on the screen, is magnified. So once you have put that there, you will put your job title and then save and continue. Next one is tax year 2021-2022 flat rate expenses. So no, the answer here is no, because this one are for expenditures, maintenance, repair, or replacements of work equipment or specialist clothing, which we do not have. We only have basically our scrubs or tunic and trousers. And then vehicle for work, no. Fuel expenses, no. Travel and overnight expenses, no. Professional fees and subscription, yes. And then because I have already claimed tax for my RCN, I cannot put that again now because it's already in my records. So just to show you, because I have not claimed for NMC, I have put 120 here if that's the amount that you are claiming. However, if your company is partially paying for it, then you have to put it at the second box. And using your home as an office, no. Other allowable expenses, no. And then at the end again, a summary of what you are claiming for. And then payment details, who do you want to get it, you or a nominee, or who do you want to claim it for you? And then make a payment to you. Is it through your address in the form or other address? And then summary, on this screen, you will just really see a summary of all the answers you have given. Just correct it if you have made some mistakes and then submit. So that's it, guys. I have shown you how you can claim your tax relief online. And what's going to happen now is going to be waiting game. You will receive your check via post and you can bring that to your bank and encash it or ask it to be deposited directly into your account. Thank you so much for being with me today, and I do hope that you get your tax relief soon. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!